From a bizarre, almost alien-looking creature to an unwanted guest appearing in a restaurant, these are the most horrifying ringing doorbell moments. This first video comes from a Reddit user who reported that something appeared on her rear ring doorbell. What do you think this was? Some animal? Or to me at least, it looks almost like an alien. But the scariest part for me is that you can actually hear the footsteps. Our next clip shows someone seemingly trying to disable a Ring doorbell. Why this person wanted to disable the Ring doorbell is unknown. However, these doorbells are far more resilient than they may seem. Shadow people are a common phenomenon on Ring doorbells. However, I have never seen a video quite like this. You can very clearly see a shadow person walking through the shot before the alarm starts blaring out. What do you think this was? Some home intruder? Or perhaps something more paranormal? This next video shows what appears to be some kind of poltergeist in a Manchester office in the United Kingdom. This video has caused a huge amount of speculation online, but do you think this is real or false? Let me know down below. This next clip is truly terrifying. On February 6, 2023, Turkey was hit by a devastating earthquake, and the security camera actually shows the first major tremor to hit the country. Now this next video, I am struggling to find an explanation for. Do you think this is some ghostly person walking their dog, or rather someone outside walking by with some glitch from the camera? This next video, people on Reddit believe shows the first video sighting of a Sasquatch. If you look carefully at the tree line, you can see what appears to be someone standing nearby who then crouches out of view. The original poster claims that their brother was the only one around, and that makes this all the more terrifying. This next video will remind security guards across the world to make sure every door is closed before you start your shift. This bear must have snuck in through a door in the kitchen trying to find food. This is actually pretty common nowadays, so be careful out there. I have spent a good couple of minutes now watching this next video and trying to decipher what exactly this is. In the top right of the screen, you can see what appears to be some kind of ghostly entity entering the house. What do you think? Our next video is a bit harder to see, so take a very close look. Did you see that? The ghostly figure on the right side of the screen appears to vanish off to the left. But do you think this was a ghost or a home intruder? Let me know down below. Late at night, it sucks to be woken up by someone at your door. However, this next video is terrifying to watch.
Help, please. Please help.
Why this little girl was calling for help we may never know, but one thing is for certain, this is chilling. Our next video comes from a local restaurant worker who believes they captured something paranormal. Do you think this is evidence of paranormal activity in this restaurant? Do you think this is evidence of paranormal activity in this restaurant? Or some kind of business marketing scheme? Let me know down below. Seeing orbs moving across a camera or sometimes even a figure moving across can generally be reasonably explained, but this next video, I cannot find an explanation for. This next video shows something trying to break into a car. Do you think this is a ghost? Or just some weird camera malfunctioning while someone was trying to enter their car? You decide. Bizarre light phenomenons are certainly weird. However, they can become even weirder when mixed with some strange sounds. Do you think this is paranormal activity or just the wind blowing in a spider web? let me know. Our next video shows potentially one of the most recognizable voices I have ever heard in a paranormal video. It almost sounds like, "Mary, keep it down to me," but this could be someone else in the house speaking and it got picked up from the camera. Who knows?